everybody, today I'm coming with a video how to install Google Chrome in Kali Linux. First of all, you have to go to download Kali Linux for Linux. Download Google Chrome for Linux. Sorry. Download the version of .deb. Okay, we go here to downloads. There it is. Okay, we open the terminal. We type cd downloads ls. We have Google Chrome here. Copy and sudo apt install and we paste it. Okay, just a second. Google. Click yes. And wait until it gets installed. Okay, Google Chrome. Okay, and there you are. Okay, thank you. Help me please to get 1000 subscribers, and bye. If you have any question in the comment there. Okay.